In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to deploy and publish Replit AI agent apps. We'll move from your working Replit project to a downloadable Android build and finish by getting you ready for the Google Play console. Follow along and pause as needed. First, head to Replit and open the AI agent app you want to ship. Make sure it runs correctly in the Replit preview. If your app depends on environment variables or external APIs, confirm those are configured in Replit and that the app responds the way you expect. A clean run here saves time later. Next, ensure your app is published in Replit. If you've made recent changes, click Republish so the latest version is live. This step updates your public deployment and helps avoid shipping an outdated build. Give it a moment to finish. You should see confirmation that the app is live. Now click the live URL for your Replit app. It will open in a new browser tab. Verify the page loads without errors, then copy the full URL from your address bar. This link is what the builder will wrap into a mobile app, so it needs to be the correct publicly accessible address. Head over to Median's site. Paste the URL you just copied into the designated field. Enter your app's name and a valid email address you can access. The app name appears in the builder and later can inform your branding, so pick something you're comfortable using. The email is used for build notices and download links. Click Start Building My App. Median will begin preparing your project. This can take a bit depending on your app's size and assets. Keep the tab open and let it finish. If your app loads external resources, stable internet helps the builder capture everything cleanly. Once the builder interface is ready, look to the right side panel. Scroll down until you find the download section. This is where platform-specific build options live. Under the Android option, click Build. Median will package your web app into a native Android build. The process may take several minutes. When it's complete, you'll get a downloadable file. Save it somewhere you can find easily and keep track of the version you just generated. Finally, go to the Google Play console. Sign in, create your developer account, and be prepared for a one-time registration payment to activate it. From there, you'll be able to start the submission process for your Android build. Having your app's icon, screenshots, a short description, and a privacy policy ready will make publishing smoother. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.